Hello, Goldi. Hello. So this is the Abu Dhabi, the garden nearby the airport road in Abu Dhabi. It's a beautiful garden. It's big trees. Not really crowded. A few people around. The morning walk with the Goldi. It's just, really amazing. I really like it since I arrived here. The good thing is about it has a parking. It has plenty of space for sitting, lying down, for the shisha, for the people to enjoy, and the birds around. Even we have peacock here. So it is a really nice place. There is no any purpose to make this video, but just to share the the information about the area. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a good morning. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.